The best way to showcase Google Maps reviews on your Divi website is by using the Google Reviews plugin by Divi extensions. In this video, we will cover integration of the Google Place API key, the correct way to copy a business address from Google Maps, add a single business or multiple businesses as Google Places. We will learn about the limitation of the Google Place API, show and hide reviews, adding the Google Reviews module to the live website, settings and options in the Google Reviews module, styling the Google Reviews module. Enough talking, let's jump into our main procedure. After installing the Divi Google Reviews plugin by Divi extension, we need to activate the plugin. Now, we have to integrate the Google Place API key. To do that, hover over the Divi and click the Google Reviews. Now click on the settings. Now insert here your Google API key. In the video description, you will find the documentation's URL to create a Google Plus API key. Now hit the Save Settings button. As you can see here, settings saved successfully. Click the back button and it is time to add the Google Places or the businesses. To do that, we need the correct way to copy business address from the Google Maps. Now we're in the Google Map. Find and locate your business in Google Maps. As example, I'm setting KFC. At first, I'm selecting the KFC Dhanmontri, and first I would copy the KFC Dhanmontri and copy this address from here. And also I will copy another business, which is Pizza Hut. First copy the name and copy the address. Now click on the add your first business, and as you can see here, there's clear instruction that how you should add your business in which format. First, you have to add the name, then a comma, then the copied address from the Google Maps. Let's start and see. At first, KFC Dhanmontri, comma, then paste the address and hit the search button. Yes, we have successfully add this and tick mark this and hit the save button. And we will add another business, which is Pizza Hut Dhanmontri. First the business name, comma, then the address and hit the search button. As we can see here, we have successfully added a two business in our Google Reviews plugin. Please make sure to take note of this important information. The Google Place API only gives you 5 reviews at a time. Even if a place has hundreds of reviews, the API will only show the first 5. This is a rule set by Google and applies to everyone. Now let's talk about the show and hide the reviews. When you add the business location, our plugin automatically hides the low rated reviews like this one. But for the business transparency, you can enable the low rating review like this way, and you can also hide any of the review. As like if I want to hide the 5-star rating review, I can hide it. Now it is time to add the Google Reviews module in our live website. Add the Google Reviews module, and from the plugin settings, content, general tab, select the business place. I would like to showcase the KFC Dhanmontri. Number of reviews. If you want to show low number of reviews like 3, 2, you can set this rule, but I would like to stick on the 5. go to layout, and here is the most interesting settings. In our Google Reviews plugin, or whatever you say, the Google Reviews module, there is 3 layout support. Currently, we are in the list. You can start the carousel and you can start the grid. But I would like to stick on the list, but I want to show some features in the carousel. What feature is offering? First of all, carousel offering the responsive settings and power move, gap, also the speed. That's mean the animation speed. Type, it can be slide, fade, or loop. Currently in loop, and also the autoplay, interval, pause and hover, arrows, these arrows, and pagination also, the pagination here, as you can see, and focus restart, frame space, auto width. All of the carousel options and settings are available in here. So you can select the carousel layout, but in my case, I want to keep simple, so I want to stick with the list layout. Let's jump into the card. And as you can see here, there are several toggle buttons to decide which thing we want to show and hide in our review card. Let's start with the button. As you can see here, there is a button which is called Read More. We can show and hide this button. Also the show reviewer source, that's mean the Google, and show and hide the reading, show date, but that's mean the review date, show avatar, which means the reviewer image, and show the reviewer name. And you can customize the read more button from here. Also the most important setting, that is alignment. We can align it center, and right is necessary for the, if anyone have the RTL language website or RTL languages reviews, that is right is very important for them. But we want to keep the left one. Review text, you can show the entire full review, or you can keep it short, or you can select on your own by custom. I want to keep this short. Turn off the toggle and go to settings. HTML organization markup, I don't like to enable it. And it is time to jump into the design. Let's start with card. As you can see here, we can change the background color of the card. Also, we can set the padding, but I want to keep the default on. Let's jump into text, name, font. There are all styling options are available in here, but I want to use the custom style for my read more button, and background color red, and make the text color white. After the simple styling it, if we save and exit the visual builder, as you can see here, after exiting the visual builder, our Google Reviews module appears correctly, and if we hit the read more button, it will show the full reviews. And if you click the reviewer name, it will bring you to the Google local guide profile, as you can see here, and it is his profile of the Google local guide. Just like the Google Reviews plugin, the Divi Instagram feed, Pro Gallery, Contact from 7 Styler are some of our key mentionable plugins. For showcasing Instagram posts, interactive feedback galleries, and styling Contact from 7, these 3 plugins are some of the best options for Divi.